Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rahma Adriana Prihatin Tias. I am the moderator from Group 4. Today we are going to short presentation about improving the quality of education in Indonesia. But first let me introduce my team. I am Rahma Adriana Prihatin Tias as the moderator. Fajri Nur Hidayah as the first speaker, Anissa Sujatningsi as the second speaker, Novika Putri Romadoni as the third speaker, Vinka Cindiana Sari as the fourth speaker, Rahardian Arya Firdausuhdi as the fifth speaker, and I am Rahma Adriana Prihatin Tias as the sixth speaker. Our presentation is divided into several sections. First, we will explain in general what is the quality of education in Indonesia. Secondly, we will give the characteristic of education in Indonesia. Third, we will explain how the quality of education in Indonesia. Next, we will explain what are the case of the low quality of education in Indonesia. And next, the importance of quality education in Indonesia. The 6 ways to improve the quality of education are still low. And the last, we will summarize our presentation. Okay then, let's start our discussion today. Thank you.
My name is Fajri Nur Hidayah. Well, let's take a look to the next slide about understanding the quality of education. Quality is the level of good or bad or the level or degree of something. And education is the learning of knowledge, skill, and habit of a group of people that are passed down from one generation to the next through teaching, training, or research. So, the quality of education is the implementation of education in an institution to the extent that education at the institution has achieved a success. From the context of the process of quality education involves various input, methodologies, school facilities, administrative support, and infrastructure and other resources, as well as creating a conducive atmosphere. Quality in the context of educational outcomes refers to the result or achievement achieved by school in a certain period of time. In addition, the quality of education is the ability of the basic education system, but in terms of management and in terms of the educational process, which is directed effectively to increase added value and input factor in order to produce the high output. Quality education is education that can produce quality graduates, namely graduates who have academic and non-academic achievement who are able to become pioneers of renewal and change so that they are able to answer the various challenges and problems they face but now and the future.
And I will introduce myself. I am Anissa Sujatningsi as the second speaker. I will explain the characteristic of education in Indonesia. Of course, cannot be separate from the purpose of education in Indonesia, because Indonesian education is what is mean here is education held on Indonesian soil for the benefit of the Indonesian nation. The divine aspect has been developed many ways, such as the religious of education in school or university, the religious life in their ministers, the religious pulpits and divinity television, the radio, letters, and news. Main development is mostly done at school or college. Talk the fight of study, they study. And then thank you for listening to my explanation.
Hello, my name is Novika Putri Romadoni. I'd like to move on to how is the quality of education in Indonesia. The quality of education in Indonesia is relatively low, as evidenced by data from UNESCO. This is due to the lack of physical facility, the low quality of teacher, the low welfare of teacher, the low student achievement, the low opportunity for equal distribution of education, and the high cost of education. The low quality of education in Indonesia affects various aspects of life in Indonesia. There are several solutions that can be done to improve the quality of education in Indonesia. The first is to improve the quality of teacher in Indonesia by conducting tests so that the teacher they get are truly competent. The second is the need for a policy from the state regarding the cost of education in Indonesia. The hope that the quality of education in Indonesia can improve and be able to compete with foreign countries so that Indonesia can become a developed country.
My name is Vinka Sindiana Sari. Let's look at another aspect of the cause of the low quality of education in Indonesia. From UNESCO data in 2000 on the Human Development Index ranking, the quality of education in Indonesia is very concerning. It can be seen that in Indonesia there is less attention to education. The government is always busy with other matters. Therefore, many problems arise due to the low quality of education in Indonesia. The following are some of the causes of the low quality of education in Indonesia. First, the low quality of workforce. Many teachers don't have adequate professionalism, and there are still many honorary teachers. In addition, many teachers are not yet competent in their field. And then second, the high cost of education. The high cost of education from kindergarten to college makes the underprivileged people have no other choice but not to send their children to school. Third, the low quality of physical facilities. For example, physical facilities, many schools have damaged buildings, incomplete library books, and low use of learning media. There are even schools that don't have their own buildings. Fourth, low student achievement. And the last five, low teacher welfare.
Introduce, my name is Rardian Arya Firdasudi, student ID number 210005033. Now let's take a look on the next point about how important is the quality of education for Indonesia. Education is the most important thing in your life. It can be interpreted that every Indonesian woman has the right to get it and is expected to always develop in it. Education will never end. Education in general has the meaning of a life process in developing each individual to be able to live and carry out life. So, being an education person is very important. The role of the family is very important for children, especially parents. Parents education their children with great love. The love given by parents is endless and has value.
I'm Rahma Adriana Prihatini Tias. Well, move on to the next topic about there are several solutions to overcome the low quality of education in Indonesia, including first technical solution. This solution, for example, in addition, the problem of teacher quality and student achievement. Thus, the solution to technical problem is returned to practical effort to improve the quality of education system. The low quality of teacher, for example. In addition to being give a solution to improve welfare, increasing teacher professionalism, increasing teacher competence, and providing various trainings to improve teacher quality. Secondly, by fixing the curriculum used in education in Indonesia, because the curriculum is an educational instrument that is very important in laying the foundation of knowledge and character building of students. Third, ensure that school activities take place in accordance with applicable regulation so that they running optimally and smoothly. So, that's our presentation. To conclude our presentation today, in conclusion, the quality of education in Indonesia is relatively low, as evidenced by the data from UNESCO. This is due to lack of physical facilities, the low quality of the teacher, the low welfare of the teacher, the low student achievement, the low opportunity for equal distribution of education, and the high cost of education. The solution in solving this problem, it can be done with the government effort to overcome this problem, is to increase access to the community to be able to enjoy Indonesian education, eliminate inequality in access to education, increase the education budget, and then use information technology in educational application. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. A pleasure to be here today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.